Sociology, Paper 1, Topic 1A is about modernity and social changes in Europe and its relation with emergence of sociology. There are 6 events that a sociology aspirant should know. First one is Renaissance period. Second one is commercial revolution. Third one is scientific revolution, followed by Enlightenment, French Revolution, Industrial Revolution. Why do we start with Renaissance period? It is because it marks the beginning of modernity. This is a period and you should know the basic features or what exactly happened in this, what were the changes which happened. Similarly, few pointers about commercial revolution, what happened. We are interested in the trends that happened. The inventions happened, but why was it there, and what was the impact of those inventions and discoveries. Similarly, scientific revolution, it mainly talks about the rise of natural sciences, scientific method, experiments. Then we have Enlightenment period. It showed the rise of intellectual thinking, questioning of traditions, reason, rationality, and how it led to changes in French society, changes in the mindset of people, and eventually a revolution. This was also accompanied by Industrial Revolution, where machines were first operated, factories were built, people started going out to work, the concept of work originated, difference between outside work and domestic labor. These are the 6 events that a sociology aspirant should know, because it defines how sociology emerged. Why is it important to sociology? Because it changed the way of thinking. When something changes, then certain scholars, intellectuals, thinkers, they arise and they want to change society. They want to make a difference in society, and they also find the effects of social change. For example, because of Industrial Revolution, although it made the job of people easier because of the advent of machines, but at the same time it led to social problems. Why? Because now there was rampant unemployment. People who did not find work in the factories, they had nowhere to go. Similarly, it led to rise of urbanism, urban centers, slums, again problems. So, early sociologists, they saw a pattern in society. They saw that society was changing. There was social change, which means change in every social institution. Although these changes were good, because now tradition, which was marked by religion, could be questioned, but at the same time there were also changes which shook society. For example, joint family led to nuclear families, because now there was migration from perhaps rural areas to urban centers. It led to the disintegration of the joint family system, changes in kinship relations, change in political area, advent of democracy happened. It also led to change in the values which people treasured. For example, earlier kinship, clan, they were given utmost importance, but now they believed in the ideals of liberty, equality, fraternity, universal brotherhood. So these were the changes which happened, and they paved the way for the study of society. Earlier, it was not possible to study society. because it was not possible to question tradition, it was not possible to question social institutions, people could not question religion, but now they could think of questioning religion, at the same time changing social institutions for the betterment of human beings. Also, science and technology, it led to new methods which were then adapted by social scientists in sociology. They thought of applying scientific method to the study of society, and thus came the positivists, the mainstream sociologists who started or laid the foundation of a new discipline which was sociology. So, while studying or beginning the study of sociology for UPSC, do not be afraid, look at the syllabus, break down and study these 6 events and relate it with emergence of sociology. All the best.